This is Spanky's garden, named after my dog I put down a couple years ago, and I thought I would offer to the Buffalo community if anybody would have any interest in using some of the 1,000+ square feet of space that I have that I'm not taking full advantage of. You can see that I do have some asparagus growing. Haven't killed that yet. I did successfully do some onions this year. I did certainly try tomatoes and potatoes and peppers, and not very much luck. So my thought was, if somebody knows what the heck they're doing and they wanted some to plant on, then maybe I could offer that up and they could teach me a few things on how to kill things before they grow. I also have these very large composters, as you can see here, so please let me know. I thought I'd reach out to the City of Good Neighbors and see if anybody would have any interest in some extra space to plant fruits and vegetables for themselves. Thank you.